Welcome to today's lecture. I'm Daniel Carls, and I'm excited to be here with you all today. Before we dive into the topic at hand, I want to take a moment to set the stage. I'm sure you're all familiar with the entertainment industry and the many players within it. But have you ever stopped to think about just how much it has changed over the years? The era of waiting for TV airtimes or renting movies from physical stores is over. Now we have access to endless amounts of data right at our fingertips. And there's one company in particular that has revolutionized the way we watch and consume entertainment. I'm sure you've all heard of it, but today we're going to dive deeper and uncover the story behind the company that has changed the game. Netflix. From its humble beginnings to its current status as one of the biggest names in the entertainment industry, we're going to take a closer look at the key moments that have shaped Netflix's incredible journey. So, get ready, buckle up, and join me on a fascinating and exciting ride as we uncover the story of Netflix. In just a few short years, Netflix has grown from a DVD rental service to one of the biggest names in the entertainment industry. So, how did they do it? Well, let's start at the beginning. In 1997, Reed Hastings and Mark Randolph co-founded Netflix as a way to rent DVD by mail. They quickly found success and expanded their offerings to include a monthly subscription service that allowed customers to rent as many DVD as they wanted. However, it wasn't until 2007 that Netflix really made its mark. They introduced streaming, allowing customers to watch movies and TV shows online, and the rest, as they say, is history. With the advent of streaming, Netflix became the go-to source for all your entertainment needs, offering a vast library of content at your fingertips. But Netflix's success wasn't just due to their innovative technology. They also made smart business decisions that set them apart from their competitors. For example, they invested heavily in original content, producing shows like House of Cards and Stranger Things that quickly became household names. This not only helped them stand out from the crowd, but it also gave them a competitive advantage by providing a unique and exclusive library of content. In the previous lecture, we talked about SWOT analysis and how it can be used to understand a company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Today, we're going to apply that knowledge to the Netflix story and see how they used SWOT analysis to their advantage. Starting with strengths. Netflix had a few key factors working in their favor. For one, they had a strong brand and a loyal customer base. They were also one of the first companies to introduce streaming, which was a huge strength in and of itself. This allowed them to quickly establish themselves as a leader in the entertainment industry. In terms of weaknesses, Netflix faced a number of challenges, such as the high cost of producing original content and competition from other streaming services like Amazon Prime and Hulu. However, they were able to turn these weaknesses into opportunities. For example, by producing original content, they were able to set themselves apart from the competition and offer something unique and exclusive to their customers. Moving on to opportunities, Netflix had a number of opportunities to grow and expand. They were able to expand internationally and enter new markets, for example. They were also able to continue to innovate and improve their technology, which allowed them to stay ahead of the curve and remain competitive. When it comes to threats, Netflix faced a number of challenges, such as the increasing competition from other streaming services and the rising cost of acquiring and producing content. However, they were able to mitigate these threats by making smart business decisions, such as investing in original content and constantly evolving and adapting to the changing landscape. So, what can we learn from the Netflix story? Well, there are a few key takeaways. Firstly, innovation is key. Netflix's success wouldn't have been possible without their willingness to embrace new technology and try something new. Secondly, taking risks can pay off. Investing in original content was a bold move, but it ultimately set Netflix apart from their competitors and helped them achieve their current level of success. And finally, it's important to keep evolving and adapting to the changing landscape. Netflix has continued to grow and innovate, staying ahead of the curve and constantly improving their offerings to stay at the top of the game. So there you have it, folks. the incredible story of Netflix and how they went from a DVD rental service to one of the biggest names in the entertainment industry. I hope you found this lecture as exciting and inspiring as I did, and as always, if you have any questions, please let us know.